In the year 2026, we find ourselves drowning in an ocean of disposable plastic. Most consumer technology, frankly, is designed with a planned obsolescence baked into its very silicon, destined for landfill before the year is out. It is a cynical paradigm, an efficiency leak in our collective consciousness. But then, occasionally, something emerges that defies this gravitational pull towards the mediocre. The Eureka E20 Evo Plus robot vacuum and mop combo is one such defiance. This is not another plastic trinket. This is an engineered solution, a strategic asset for the discerning professional, whose time is not just valuable, but finite, a quantifiable commodity. Forget specifications for a moment. Let us talk about minutes gained, hours reclaimed, and the insidious drain of domestic friction eliminated. Consider the self-emptying base. No more chasing down proprietary dust bags, no more monthly ordering, no more plastic waste. The Bagless design, with its 45-day capacity, saves you that 5-minute chore every month. That's 60 minutes, at minimum, simply repatriated to your calendar over the course of a year. No more remembering to order, no more waiting for delivery, just pure, uninterrupted flow. Then there is the anti-tangle technology, the DragonClaw Side Brush. A piece of thoughtful engineering actively rejects pet hair, preventing those infuriating wraps and clogs. This saves you the quarterly 15-minute ritual of cutting hair out of cheap rollers, a task both unpleasant and unproductive. Another hour, at least, reclaimed from your busy schedule. Imagine an entire year of avoiding that minor frustration, simply gone. Its intelligent mop-lifting system is another revelation. When it senses carpet, the mop automatically rises a full 10 millimeters. This means zero manual intervention, no saturated rugs, no frantic repositioning. We are talking precious seconds saved daily, adding up to several hours over a year, hours that are no longer lost to minor domestic frustration. It is not merely cleaning, it is a seamless operation. With 10,000 Pascal suction, this machine devours what others merely nudge. Heavy particles like cereal, pet kibble, even ground-in dirt from your bespoke shoes are gone in a single pass. This is not just power, it is certainty. It is the assurance that when it moves, the job is done, eliminating the need for spot checks or reruns. That certainty buys you back 10 minutes a week, perhaps moments previously spent, verifying a suboptimal clean. That is over 8 hours a year, almost a full working day, simply bought back for yourself. The Multi-Cyclone dust collection system, with its 13 combs, traps 98% of dust before it even reaches the filter. This translates to stronger, more consistent airflow, a longer lifespan for the machine itself, and less frequent filter cleaning. It is industrial-grade longevity designed to prevent efficiency leakage, ensuring your investment pays dividends in uninterrupted operation. Now, it must be said, this unit carries a certain heft. It is undoubtedly a more substantial piece of engineering than the flimsy plastic dust bunnies you'll find flooding the mass market. It feels dense, purpose-built, but that physical density, that solid 6-pound base station, that robust chassis, is the thermal dissipation. It is the zero-flex platform upon which its powerful systems operate, ensuring consistent performance without throttling or premature wear. This is not a product for those who equate lightness with quality. This is for those who understand that true resilience has mass. Global supply chains in 2026 are, as we know, a constantly shifting landscape. Regional stock levels on such an intelligently engineered product can fluctuate wildly, and the market pulse is always beating. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.